Welcome to CGTECH. Learn, grow, lead. In this video, we will explain four important ITSM terms: incident, service request, problem, and change. These are common words in service desk and IT support, but many beginners mix them up. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to identify each one using simple terms and real office examples. Let us get started. First, let us talk about an incident. An incident is an unplanned interruption to an IT service or a reduction in service quality. In layman's terms, something broke or suddenly stopped working. For example, your company email suddenly goes down, employees cannot send or receive messages, the office Wi-Fi stops working, or a shared printer stops printing unexpectedly. These are incidents because the normal service has been interrupted. The goal of incident management is to restore normal service as quickly as possible. Quick memory aid: incident means something broke. Next is service request. A service request is a request from a user for something they need, such as access, information, or a standard service. In layman's terms, someone needs something normal, expected, or routine. For example, an employee asks for a password reset, a new staff member requests a laptop and email account, a user asks to install approved software, or an employee needs access to a shared folder or Microsoft Teams. Nothing is broken here. The user simply needs a standard service. The goal of service request management is to fulfill user needs efficiently, consistently, and through a standard process. Quick memory aid: service request means someone needs something. Third is problem. A problem is the underlying cause of one or more incidents. In layman's terms, it is the hidden reason the same issue keeps happening. For example, employees keep losing Wi-Fi every afternoon, and after investigation, the IT team finds that a network switch is overheating. Another example is repeated login failures caused by a directory synchronization issue, or a printer problem that keeps returning because of an outdated driver. These are problems because the team is looking for the root cause, not just fixing the symptom. The goal of problem management is to find the root cause and prevent incidents from happening again. Quick memory aid: problem means the hidden cause. Fourth is change. A change is an addition, modification, or removal of anything that could affect IT services. In layman's terms, it is a planned update, fix, or improvement. For example, the IT team schedules a software update after office hours, upgrades a server during the weekend, applies a security patch to protect systems from vulnerabilities, or moves the company to a new email platform. These are changes because they are planned and controlled. The goal of change management is to implement improvements safely, with minimal risk and disruption. Quick memory aid: change means a planned improvement. Let us summarize the difference. Incident is reactive, something broke and needs quick restoration. Service request is routine, someone needs something standard. Problem is root cause focused, the team investigates why the same issue keeps happening. Change is planned, the team updates, fixes, or improves IT services in a controlled way. Knowing the difference is important because it improves ticket accuracy, speeds up resolution, prevents repeated issues, reduces risk, and supports better IT decisions. Right request, right process, better results. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to CGTECH for more beginner-friendly ITSM tutorials, career guides, and practical tech lessons.